Hello. What's going on, everybody? 3 boxes of Topps Strata break-in. If anyone can let me know if they cannot hear me very well or any other problems, let me know. So I only see box 3 and box 8. So I'll do first one, the third one, and the 8th one. Here's number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 will be right down here. One, 3, and 8. Chris, Atlanta, and I set it down here. Let me check. Bears, Atlanta Falcons, and Cardinals have not sold. If you're interested, I was asking 11 bucks for all 3, somewhere around there. Or if you just want one, we can figure something out. Let me know if you heard me, Chris. Remind everyone real quick in chat. These cards are brought to you from blowoutcards.com. They will match any price that a competitor is offering as long as it's not eBay. Pretty much best site I've found so far to buy cards from. Single boxes, cases, whatever you're looking for. You're gonna have to bid for that Icarus. Probably out of your price range. Alright, I'm gonna check my messages one last time and then I will start unless anyone says anything differently. Please let me know if you want me to go through the cards slowly. If not, I'm just gonna rip through the base. Yeah, free shipping. I'll ship it with your other stuff. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a buy it now. Sorry guys, it's gonna be another minute. So I'm gonna make a buy it now and link it on here. Um, and whoever makes the best offer, I'll accept out of you two if you're both interested. Thanks for waiting, everybody. I'll have to check later on the Raiders, Icarus. Ooh. Alright, that's the buy it now auction. Uh, I can make my mic louder if that's the problem, Chris. Is everyone else hearing me alright? Alright, I'm gonna get started and do like this first half of the pack, or box, I mean. And then I will go check up on whoever's done their best offer. Jones Drew. Very nice indeed, Aaron Murray patch. And that is a 99 out of 99. Congrats on buying the Chiefs late. That is a pretty sick card if you ask me. Let me check, Chris. Ooh, that's weird. Let's try the second link. Yeah, the first three boxes didn't have a single patch in it, and there's guaranteed at least three plus a case hit, which I believe is a patch also. So these last boxes hopefully are all loaded. Clinton Dix, Benjamin, CJ Mosley, rookie. Trent Richardson, Forte, Ebron, Hill, Anthony Barr. Yeah, that will work, Chris. Um, Thank you. Alright, I think we're good to go to start really getting through this stuff. Luck, Jackson, Gerhart, Die Cut, Sam Bradford. Lacey, Gore. So I figured out all the parallels. This is 1 in 3 packs, gold parallel, not numbered. Ben Tate, A-Rod, Chris Johnson, Sankey rookie. That works too, thanks. Crabtree, Eli, Phillip. 1 in 3 packs, gold parallel. Julio, Jones, that is. Mike Wallace. Die cut rookie Carlos Hyde. Patrick Willis. Reggie Wayne Tannehill. 1 in 3 packs Matt Forte. Gold parallel. Clowney. Tony Romo. Derek Carr die cut. Here it is. You wanted a Seahawk. You happy now? Regular jersey patch of Allen Robinson. Not numbered. Bradford. Calvin Pryor. There is a base auto left in this box. I have a feeling it's a 1 of 1. I guess we will see. I have a feeling I spoke too soon. Kyle Van Noy. Not numbered auto. Cody Hoffman and Lewis Nix. Ridley, Welker, Charles, Moncrief, Robinson. Foster, 1 in 3 rookie Jimmy Garoppolo. Mike Evans. So first 4 boxes I've only gotten 1 base parallel. Frankie Gore. James White, rookie. Stafford, Rosselberger, Kuechly. Marshall. 1 in 3, Jerick McKinnon. Alright, that's it for box 1. Very nice looking patch. Get these cards out and then I will accept that offer. I have 6 boxes of this left. I'm either going to do next Wednesday a 6 box or a 3 box. I will let you know, of course, what I decide. Or let me know if you guys have any preferences. Thank you very much, Chris. If you can hear me yet. Box 2. Shard Jennings, Breeze, 1 and 3, Gianni Bernard, Ellington, Gino, Richard Sherman, Hoffman, Watkins rookie, Reggie, Revis, Matthews, Jimmy Graham, Cleo Mack. Next hit, out of 90, Terrence West. I'm getting sick of seeing him, but here he is. You can hardly see it, but it is a 2-color patch. If you can see the stitching at least. It's a little brown sliver in there. Sherman, Newton, Matthews rookie, Vincent Jackson, Hoyer, Matthew Stafford, die cut, Beckham rookie, Richardson rookie, Jared McKinnon rookie, what's your problem now? Hold my ick. Yeah, I kind of agree with you on there. First 3 boxes are loaded with him. Hopefully that's the last of him we see. Williams, 1 and 3, parallel, Sankey, Buchanan for the Cardinals. At least it was only a patch card this time, not an auto. Fitzgerald, AJ Green, 1 and 3 parallel, Kevin Norwood. Andrew Lucky. This is not Johnny Football. Probably has the same chance of starting as Johnny Football, but it is Connor Shaw. Victoria Cruz, Peyton Manning, and another Peyton Manning die cut. These die cuts look a lot better than the other ones. There's a Johnny Football. Carlos Hyde, rookie. Julius Thomas. Anyone have any guesses for the next hit? Thank you to whoever spent $5 on the Chiefs, cause you have Matching Aaron Murray autos. No patch, just jersey this one. Not numbered. Tom Brady. Ooh, nice hit. Mike Evans, die cut auto. Grats to had Tampa Bay. That is not numbered. I don't know what the odds are though for to get a die cut auto compared to a normal auto. Shouldn't be any hits left, so I'm gonna plow through these last few packs. Foles, Beast Mode, die cut Tannehill. EJ, 1 and 3 Foster, again, Bortles. Got Cordell, Watt, Witten, Ryan, Garoppolo, Sue, Josh Huff. Yeah, I think you can pay like $100 a month if you don't want to see commercials, but that's pretty lame if you ask me. Looks like most of the teams that helped me fill out some empty spots are getting rewarded with hits, so I like to see that. Doug Martin, Palmer, Cooks rookie, Smokin' Jay Cutler, Teddy Bridgewater rookie. Alright, last box. I would like to see a veteran auto. And if we get a patch auto, I want it to be a good patch, because there's only 2 left in the case. So might as well have a good one if we get one. Gore. First pack, first hit. Andre Williams. Unfortunately, it's not Beckham, not numbered. Going to the Giants. Yeah, it will be. I also post a recap on YouTube. It should be in your link the first message I sent you saying when the break was. Has YouTube, Twitter, and Ustream link. Alright, here is finally a numbered card out of 99. Running back for the Ravens. You can see the orange back there, whatever they call that, magenta or something. Big Ben. Ebron, rookie. Wayne, Tannehill, Logan Thomas. I'm pretty sure you should only be getting one ad per however long the break is. CJ Spiller, Percy Harvin, die cut, A-Rod, another Aaron Murray to go with your other Aaron Murrays, Calvin Pryor, for some reason these are sticking pretty good. Sam Bradford, Aaron Murray. Johnson, Marshall, Cobb, Romo, 1 and 3 pack. Variation gold background. We have next hit. It is another Mike Evans out of 150 jersey. Philip Rivers. Wallace. Xavier. Parallel and Clowney. Revis, Matthews, Sam Bradford, 1 and 3 parallel, Michael Sam, and McCarron. Lacey, die cut, Tom Brady, Cheater Brady, Sankey. Ben Tate, A-Rod, Tony Romo die cut. It looks like Tampa Bay's the big winner so far. Maybe Chiefs, if you're an Aaron Murray fan. Tom Brady out of parallel out of 3. Mosley, rookie. I'm glad to change that. I'm about 1 for 10 on my getting Seahawk hits, so I'm with you on that. Earl Thomas, Jones. Shard Jennings, Breeze, Brady, West. Trent Richardson. That, no, why? I will hold. That is unfortunately our final hit. It's a redemption. Do not like redemptions. Andrew Luck. Justin Gilbert. Andrew Williams. Gino. Khalil Mack. Greg Robinson. Cam. Bush. Watkins rookie. Jordan Matthews. Final hit. Redemption. Thank you very much to Chris for buying the final teams. We have a clear cut auto relic rookie Topaz parallel Devontae Freeman. If you want to know, I can look Topaz up. I know it's numbered, I'm not sure how much too. Topaz is 1 in 152 packs, but I'm not sure what it's numbered to. Alright, thank you very much everybody. I'll have these shipped out pretty soon, and next break will be Wednesday next week. 6 or 3 boxes, I'm not sure yet. There's the last few cards if anyone cares. Hill, Barr, Richardson, Forte. I'll be around if you guys need anything. Throw me a message on eBay. Probably be back in 10 to an hour to do the hit recap once I get all these cards in their protectors. Thank you very much.